Today we're looking at Ame Goes to Japan. This is a cat book. I got this for my daughter to introduce her to Japan. So let's read it. So I'll show you what it looks like inside. A book about one cool cat's travel in Japan. Japan. Today is the day that Ame finally travels to Japan. This is quite a special day because I was actually born there, but now I live in America. And now I'm going back all by myself. Passport check. Pumpkin. So this is what it looks like inside. And the plane. Sayonara, America. Bye-bye. The plane ride takes all day. The airplane girls and guys are so friendly. And there are a lot of things to do, but I think I'll do what's best at. Napping. So this is what the artwork looks like inside. Give you an idea. There's some Japanese words in here to learn. See you later, nice airplane people, and konnichiwa, Japan, hello.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So this is more of what the pages look like. Ooh, what is that? Cat, yeah. Yeah, every page there's some Japanese you can learn. And it teaches you about the different things in Japan. This one, for example, I ended up taking 3 trains, 2 buses, and 1 minute of walking to finally arrive. According to this map, this should be the right place.
No.
It's a special hotel called a Ryokan or Ryokan. Hopefully I said that right. Or a traditional Japanese inn.
No.
The hotel guy is really nice. He recommends that I take a bath to freshen up. My legs and paws are tired, so I take him up on his offer. He shows me to an onsen or a hot spring bath. So this is what the onsen page looks like. Ooh, what is that? And that? Cat and monkey. Ooh, sushi, sushi. Sushi, the cat is eating sushi. Ame. Ohayo, good morning, Japan. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here about Japan and the different things. Talk about Mount Fuji, a gigantic Buddha. So there's a lot of pages here. Ooh, squid, fish, cat, fireworks, whoosh, bang, pop, the climax of every summer festival, hanabi, or fireworks, whiz, crackle, snap, kairi. Such a beautiful sight. Yeah.
No.
Okay, let's look. Almost done. Ooh, the end. Ame's travels to Japan map. There's a map here. Narita, Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, Nara, Shizuoka. Ooh. Oh yeah, and there's a page here to learn Japanese. And all these hidden things. So it's a pretty cool book here. Learn how to speak Japanese a little bit. Random facts.
Bye-bye.
Alright, thanks for watching.